up, everybody? I haven't done one of these videos in quite a while. Yeah, it was that long. Pretty much. Yeah, guys. So I've been like did edits and stuff, and my phone is back kind of to storage. Like I fixed it a little bit. Yeah. I only got a little bit. Back, but yeah. And old tripod. Let me see this old one. Like, put my phone in here. Look like this. But look, thing that's on top broke off. Then this is ripping off, so phone can't handle it anymore. It's a good tripod. Yeah. I could just disconnect this. I could put like a camera right there. But I don't have a camera. So that's pretty old. Look at this one. This is GorillaPod. Yeah. It's pretty nice GorillaPod. Got two tripods. Plus that one that I'm doing with right now that has a ring light. That's like a big tripod. So that counts like a tripod. So I could be like this. What is up, guys? And then like it has good grip. So I could spread out the legs. I could like set it up. I'll be like, what is up, guys? And then whenever I go, I'm like, alright, let's go, guys. And then like if I have to mount it on something, I could just like wrap it around. Like wrap it around my arm. But so yeah, I got two tripods and oh, I got three. I remember I used to use this one back in my old videos. This one, guys. Remember this one? Remember I used to be like, what is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be doing my vlog with my tripod, and I'll like just bend it. It's like a not that much of a tripod, but this I used to call this a tripod. So I'll be like this, look. I'll be like this. What is up, guys? I'll be like that. Now I have to like mount it on. Then whenever I like wanted to mount it on something, I just loosen it up. I loosen it up. I open it. I put it on the thing, and I tighten it. So then I tighten it. I just squish my finger. And like if I wanted like big long shots, I'll be like this, like wide shots. I'll like put it long. I'll be, what is up, guys? Yeah, like that. I'll be like, what is up, guys? And it'll be like a wide angle shot, because whenever you're vlogging like this and hit the phone, like you can't zoom in. So you're gonna have to put it wider and you can see everything in the back. So this is what I used to use, guys. And then when I wanted like a close up, go like this or something, be like, hello. Be something like that, and yeah. So those are my tripods, and this is my backpack. So this is where I take this thing everywhere, like even the church. Yeah, I'm pretty weird. But yeah, I take this everywhere, guys. It's my best backpack ever. Yeah. And then I got some headphones whenever I edit my videos. I'll be back. Now we're back, everybody. I use these BTL Platinum HP. Yeah, I think that's what they're called. They're BTL Platinum HD. That's what they're called. Yeah. And then yeah, that's it, guys. So that's the gear that I use. This video is 4 minutes. But like whenever I put end screens, I don't have a computer. Sometimes I do it on my phone, like if I'm out somewhere and I have internet, because I don't have line. So when I'm like out somewhere and I have internet there, I just use my phone. But I'm gonna show you what I do my end screens on when I'm home, guys. Oh, this thing, guys, this is a little computer. It's kind of a bad computer. But this is my school computer, and like put my account in it, and then charge just fell. So it's a ThinkPad, Lenovo ThinkPad. I don't know how long is this. I think this is a 13-inch. I don't know. So this is like my school computer, but I like put my account on it, so I could like look at the. Oh my god! I just got some notifications. Yeah, this is what I used to edit. I don't edit. I've only edited one video on this, and I posted it. It was the one that I said got rocked with FaZe Jake, that I broke his ankles and I shot from like 3-pointer. So that was the only video I edited on. It's a short, like 6-second video. Yeah, like whenever I need to put end screen, I use that because it's easier. I just make it shorter. But on this I have to zoom in and do it. It's pretty hard, guys. So I'm gonna get a MacBook one day. Yeah, a MacBook is what I'm needing, guys, because I want a 13-inch MacBook Pro. Picture's gonna pop up right there if I even edit this video that well. Yeah, it might pop up right there. I don't know. That's a 13-inch MacBook Pro, and I'm gonna show my camera that I'm gonna get. Yeah, that's the Canon G7X Mark II. If I even edit this, because sometimes I'm too lazy and I don't edit it, so it might not come up. It might come up. Yeah, and then there's a balloon over there that my mom's birthday. My mom's birthday's balloon. We still have it to this. Oh, guys, look what I have. Bam! Y'all don't even know what balloon is, guys. You don't know what this means. This is whenever I turned 11. 11, and I'm 11 right now, and that was like probably almost a year ago. I don't know. I don't know my months. So this is my own birthday. It's all popped and stuff. Yeah. It's not working, but I'm gonna keep it to a turn older. So I'm gonna put this back. I'm back. So yeah, and then we have a bunk bed. Then my bed's on top. I'm gonna show you right now. Alright, guys, this is my bed on top. Staircase right there. And then I have some gummies right there. Some gummies. I've been holding them there for like when I wake up in the middle of the night. And I have some chocolate balls, and then I got water. Yeah, I don't drink that much water, but when I'm in the night, I wake up in the middle of the night, and this is my ring light. It's sick. And then when I wake up in the middle of the night, I just drink water. Me trying to set this up right now. I don't know if this is the same angle. Yeah, I think so. But guys, yeah, it's come out to kind of a long video. But I only like shoot like 5-minute videos. This is like might be an 8-minute video, but yeah, this is my phone. Golden State Warriors case. Oh yes, sir. Look at Maya. Look at me when I was a little baby. Oh man, it's 2:45. It's Tuesday, March 25th. And then what's it called? Yeah, and you know Godzilla came out. Godzilla versus Kong came out like in I forgot which state. I think in Australia. My cousin said, and then there's people posting so many stuff about it. Like just because they're in Australia and then you get to see it early access, doesn't mean you could spoil it for us. Now they're starting to show stuff. I'm not gonna say spoilers because they spoiled me, and I don't want to spoil it for you guys. Because I'm gonna watch Godzilla vs King Kong, and yeah, guys. So I don't want to spoil that movie because I already saw some spoilers. Because people in Australia, I think. Yeah, I think that's what my cousin said. He said I think in Australia they're gonna come out tomorrow on March 25th, but over here, US, it's gonna come out until the 31st. It's already March, but March 25th, but it's like 6 more days, and then it's already happened today. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you're new, and yeah, I'll bring you another video.
2 hours later.
I don't know when, because sometimes I don't do videos in a while, but I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe. Peace out.